Good morning, guys, and God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Happy Monday, first of all. I hope you guys had a great Father's Day. We are in McKinney, Texas this morning. We are actually working on this really nice Jaguar. We're going to be doing a thorough one-step paint correction with a 9-year ceramic coating. The reason I went 9 years is because I really want this paint to really just like pop. So I know the 9-year will definitely give me the gloss, the protection, everything I'm looking for to protect this vehicle. Now, recently I was asked, hey Carlos, why even sell 9-year coatings, right? They don't even last that long. Now, these coatings have been, I'm sure, tested rapidly to give you the estimate of the coverage, right? But the durability truly, in my opinion, and again, I could be wrong, but durability is really based off your maintenance. If you maintain your vehicle, if you maintain your coating is gonna last, right? Even if you get a 3-year coating, right? If you maintain it, it's gonna give you the gloss, it's gonna give you the hydrophobic effects, it's gonna give you the protection you paid for, right? Perfect example is that Chrysler 300, I maintenance every 2 weeks. We're going on the first year of the coating, and that coating is perfect. It's immaculate. I have serviced it. Everything is working up to par. So the durability of your coating truly depends on your maintenance, right? Somebody was like, you're selling 9 years. That's a lie. You're lying to customers. Not really, because if you maintain your coating is going to do the work for you as long as you maintain it, right? But anyways, let's get right to it. I'm literally to the finish line of my I guess start of vacation, guys. This is my last car before I leave to Hawaii, which I'm super stoked. I'm super nervous, but I'm very excited to see what what I get into over there. I don't know what I'm going to be doing, but when I get there, we'll find out together, right? But anyways, let me show you this car really quick. We'll get started and we'll go a little bit over the products that we'll be using today. Alrighty, guys, so customer just purchased this car. I believe it's a pre-owned, but one of their main concern, guys, is this right here. And if you're a mobile detailer or you detail at a dealership, come on, guys, get all that wax residue off. And even though they waxed it, I mean, this thing is not even looking, I wouldn't be happy with it, but they left all the residue. Check out that wiper. They left the residue on the wiper, the mirrors. So a little bit of the tough part about this is getting all into, making sure we get all that residue off. But we'll definitely make sure we get this all taken care of nicely. They had left some residue all on the gas cap. You can see it all on the rubber. These are things that they could have been prevented, but usually, detailers don't care at the dealership. So most likely what they did is like a quick buff, because I can see some buffer trails on it. The humidity right now is very high, guys, but we got some rain coming in. Ooh, check this one out. Oh, okay, that's spider webbing. We're good. But anyways, humidity is high right now. There's supposed to be some rain coming in later on, but we should be good. So let me show you guys real quickly what I'm going to be using today. And don't laugh at me, guys. All right, so let me show you guys what we're going to be using today. As far as product, guys, here we go. Today, for the iron decon, guys, we're going to be using Meguiar's iron. And I don't know, this one I got it was back on sale for like $45, I think, and I got another one. Now the smell on this is horrendous, but I really love the way it performs, so I saw it on sale and I purchased it. For our strip wash, guys, oh my god, we're using some Dawn dish soap, guys. Why Dawn dish soap? Obviously you could have used Purple Power vehicle boat wash. That one will strip the sealants, waxes, and so forth, as well as Dawn dish soap. The reason I'm using Dawn dish soap is just because it's cost effective, especially when we're going to be doing a strip wash, right? We're trying to remove everything that the paint has, there's really nothing better than Dawn dish soap. You can argue with that one. And we're gonna be using the Armor All foam gun from the kit that I bought. So I'm super stoked, guys. Let's get ready. Let's get ready to have some fun. I'm actually gonna be using a clay mitt also. So I've never used a clay mitt. I've always been straight physical clay bars. So this should be a very fun, you know, thing I use, something different. I won't do a review on it today because I want to see what it does, how it performs, and then here down the road I'll give you guys an honest feedback of what I thought about the clay mitt. But let's get started. Alrighty guys, so let's get started really quick. I don't want to make this part very long, but I just want to show you guys how quickly you can correct the paint on this Jaguar. So I usually tend to always just keep brushing my pads. We're using Coach Chemi H9. This is their heavy cut, and I'm using this one just because of the condition of this paint. It is very rough, and I really want to try to maximize as much as I can with the polisher and the product. So just spread it out, guys. And here we go. If you have headphones, go ahead and lower it down really quick while I get this done. Remember guys, when you polish, guys, just let the machine do the work. Don't put too much pressure. Let that pad just glide. That's what you want to do. You don't want to put too much force on the machine and overwork it. Just let that pad, let your product just blend in there, and just take it nice and slow, guys. This isn't a race, right? You want to get the best results possible. There's a couple nice little scratches that are, I think, within the clear, and I'm gonna do my very best to try to remove those. And the way I do it, guys, is I will keep the pad on that area for a good couple of seconds just to see how much the pad can blend in. But overall, guys, this thing is looking really, really good, guys. Again, I don't want to make this video long. This here was 2 passes, I believe. So I'm going to show you with a slow speed how much you can get corrected with Coach Chemi H9. So this will be the 4th pass right here. The beauty of this product, guys, it gives you some good working time. Obviously, we're working inside, so this product is going to give you a lot of working room. So, all right. You put the pad down. Usually what I'll do, guys, is I have this, I use Kinetic, this quick detailer. I'll spray the panel, and what this is also going to help you guys with, guys, is removing like the haze off of the paint. Oh yes, huge difference on this paint already, and I don't know if the camera can catch it, but that's perfect, guys. You can't get any better than that on a 1-step. Obviously you still see a little bit of the hazing, but that will all come off, guys. But look at that. That is just amazing on a quick 1-step. Soft paint, very soft paint. So let's continue doing this whole car, and I think I'll bring you guys back with the finished product, maybe some coating. We'll see. Man, it's getting humid. Hot. I'm legit. I'm gonna go jump in this customer's pool. Whew. Boy, I feel refreshed now. The landscaping people are here. Thank God. Yeah, right. Oh man, I feel better now. I was hot, but now the rain is here. Thankfully the car is inside. It's time to coat it. Alrighty guys, so the Jaguar is finally done, guys. Due to weather, I don't feel like pulling it out just because there's like a big storm coming through, but we are done with a very thorough one-step paint correction. When I say thorough, it is pretty much cleaning the paint up nicely just to make sure I'm preserving as much clear as possible. There's still some blemishes on the paint. It's 2017, I believe, but as always, I want to make sure I preserve the clear as much as I can. You know, some people like to do 2-3 steps. There's nothing against doing those 2 steps, but if you're able to correct just enough to where the paint just gives you that enough gloss and you're still keeping the clear's integrity still intact, you know, we might lose just a little bit, but in the long run, if this vehicle ever gets a scratch on there, I'm able to still come back and polish it out, fix those issues. At that point, if I have to do a 2-step, then guess what? I have enough room to play with a 2-step. But anyways, the vehicle definitely came out real good. It's so freaking slick now. But we'll let it cure. It's a 6-hour curing time. But obviously, I always tend to tell customers, the longer you keep your car inside the garage, that sucker just keeps curing really nicely, you know. But at the end of the day, you know, we got it done. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't a lot of in-depth, you know, how to polish and stuff like that, just because the main objective was literally get in, get it done, and let's go, you know. Anyways, you guys have a blessed day. I think this is the last video for today, but I'll be back tomorrow, hopefully, or maybe towards the end of the week once my vacation ends. I am still just in awe of this whole trip. So I'm stoked, super nervous, but overall it's truly a blessing to one of my dreams come true, right? Bucket list. So I'll see you guys whenever I post another video. Again, thank you guys for the support. God bless y'all, and I'll see y'all next time.